Today we got some burning we got to do. We've got to burn 25 acres of CRP here. Tonight, there's no wind. So Bowden.
No wind?
Let's get it started.
Are we using this one?
Yeah, let's use the, we'll use that. And we got the leaf blowers here. And we'll see what happens. Does that have an igniter?
I don't remember if I had to use a striker or not.
Turn it on. I would say just go down. You'd uncoil this. Let's just go down. I don't know. Go down like get out there in this, like, I'd get down here, yeah, and then just go down.
The Ranger or no?
Yeah, probably.
That might.
So we're gonna burn this whole, this is probably 15 acres right here, I would guess. I would say
It's staying right along that green line.
probably, if, like, just walk down along here, maybe.
I don't know. I just want to wait it, let it spread.
You think?
Kinda.
So we got some of this burning. I think that what we're going to do here is burn this away from the driveway, because I have some on each side of the road here, the drive, out 50 yards. And then we're going to light it on the upwind side and let them meet in the middle. And then go from there. This is the Firemaster here. Hi, Firemaster.
I think it'll be fine for me to just keep walking down and lighting it.
Like now?
Yeah, it looks crazy at first, but then it goes away.
Okay. So we got this LP torch. Kind of works a little better. Got a little trigger on it, so you can get a little juice. So like I said, we got southwest wind. Our plan is to burn this out like 50 yards or so. And then we'll go on the upwind side and start it and let it meet in the middle so it doesn't take so long. Once we got this all started along the driveway with the torch, it was on the downwind side, so it is back burning, as you can see from the direction of the wind, so it wouldn't jump the road. We were kind of concerned about that, but then we went over on the upwind side on the fence line and started over there. So our plan was hopefully it would meet in the middle like you see here. So we let that burn about 40 yards out on the downwind side before we lit the upwind side. It does look like it's a little bit out of control here, but it only lasted for about 5-10 minutes. I think it's just the crown of the hill where the wind was a little bit more prevalent. So then it caught a little fire a little quicker, or burned through the dead grass a little bit quicker. But Oh no, it worked pretty good. We did use a couple leaf blowers to put it out here as I got up to the edge of the fence where we're sitting, and then we put it out. All in all, it took about 3 to 4 hours, I suppose, to burn this section of field. It wasn't too bad, but towards the end of the evening, I'd say like 3 or 4 hours in, maybe 10 o'clock was when we finished. The dew came out and the wind quit completely, so it did take a little bit, as you see in the last video. So the wind switched on us because we're facing the west now. So now feels like it's from the southeast.
It's going straight up.
Yeah.
Like, look right here. Straight up. Look at over there even. Straight up. Behind us.
So it's been raining for approximately a week now, on and off, and windy as all get out. But I wanted to do a video here of the end result of our burning of the CRP before it greens up, because it's starting to green up already. So we got both sides of the road done, and it turned out pretty good, actually. As you can see, we burned everything. It was pretty simple to do. You can see down there by the creek, there's that green strip along the creek there. Creek or creek? Which is it? Is it creek or is it creek? I don't know. Guess it depends on where you live. Anyways, that didn't burn. It kind of just stopped there on that line by itself, as you can see. And I think it's because that's where we kind of mowed all through the summer last year, and we kind of drove on that. So wherever that was, or anything that had been mowed, it didn't want to burn at all. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.